This is the setup I have right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Welcome to What's I Play. Today I'm going to show you how to build a new 4K editing and gaming PC. We have the Ryzen 3900X with the MSI B450 motherboard and 2x of the Samsung 1TB A60 EVO hard drive. And for the graphic card, we have the XFX Thick Ultra 5700 XT. And for the RAM, we definitely got the 64GB of the Ripgel from G-Skill and also the HyperX Steel from Patriot. As for cooling, we got the Hydro series of the H880i version 2 from Corsair. It's going to be a good one. And for the case, we have the Intech 900 version 3. Yep, I'm going to use my chef knife to do the unbox video. You can see it's very nice. Let's take a look at what's inside the Gaming Plus motherboard for the AM Force processor. Hey. So let's open up the motherboard first. You can see here, the reason why I chose the B450 is because it's relatively affordable and it basically supports all the things I need. And plus, I like the look. It's pretty high-tech looking. It's black and it has red, just like my color thing. And let's put it here. Let's see what else it comes. You have the user manual, you have a sticker, and I/O bracket. That's about it. Let's get to that later today. Then we have the RAM here, and the reason why I chose this one is because it was on sale actually. So for the whole build, I spent about a little less than 1,000 on the components besides graphic card, and I have the link down below. And also, if you want to know more about the computer components and also photography and video editing, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and also I will give you more better deals in the future. Okay, so in the G-Skill we also have a sticker here, so let's just install it. It's always nice to hear that clicking noise. And for the other two set of RAM, we used the Viper for gaming on the Patriot. It's a 32GB also, DDR4 3200 MHz. It also comes with a sticker. Yeah. I also like the look of this one. It's kind of like a transformer design, if you know what I mean. Let's see. Packaging is a little bit tight. It's okay. Right, let's put it in. It's a little bit mismatched, but I guess it'll be okay. Alright, so there we have it. We have a 64GB of RAM here. It's gonna be a killer for the video editing. It will make a huge difference. How about we open? Let's install the Ryzen 3900X. It's cool. Very cool. Let's open this box. Nice. Also comes with a sticker. It says Ryzen. And let's open the box and see what else is inside. Okay, it has a brochure here. And also has a huge heatsink. I heard a lot of good things about this heatsink, so I'll just open it up so everybody can take a look at it. But I'm actually going to do a liquid cooling solution. So it has a huge heatsink, it has a bunch of heat pipe, it has a rainbow color LED glowing on it. But we are not going to use this. Okay. So, as the heatsink, we are going to use the Corsair H80i version 2. This actually doesn't support the Ryzen 3, so I'm actually going to use the adapter. Let's see who that is. So if you want to use it with the Ryzen, you have to get a adapter with a school number of it's called CW-A960046. Basically, it's a different bracket that works with the Ryzen 3900X or other AN4 sockets. Okay, well, we can take a look at it. Open this up. See? I much prefer this chef knife over other small knives. Oh, okay, I guess I didn't open it correctly. Anyway, let's just open it up and rip it open. It has a 12 centimeter fan and also reservoir for liquid cooling. And let's see how to open this. This is how you open it. Alright. Now it's open. Well, there's two fans. There's two fans. There's the reservoir. It has another, I think this is also the different brackets for different type of processor. But we're not going to use that. We'll probably use this wire only. Okay, just open it up. And there's more of these user guide and warranty information. Put them aside. Alright. So, what should we do now? Let's install the CPU first. There's only one way to do this, as you can see here. It's actually quite obvious. There's only one orientation to put the CPU in. Just focus the camera a little bit on that. Okay. Then we're going to install the CPU. From the CPU, there's actually a small dot here see if you can see it better when you open it. It's actually a small triangular shape here that pointing to this part of the socket. So this is the only orientation that it will fit. So you see that? It's flush fit. But we're good to go. So we have the Ryzen here. Ryzen on the motherboard. Pretty cool, right? So the other two components that we haven't mentioned is the power supply and the hard drive. So just spend a little bit of time talking about that. I have a Seasonic. It's the SS650KN. It's a rated 80% efficiency, 80 plus gold here. And it is also a modular format power supply, which means that you can use different type of cable only when you want to, so it saves a lot of space. So I recommend this kind of modular power supply, so it can save a lot of space if you don't have to use so many components. And also for the hard drive, we chose the VNet SSD A60QVO. It is from Samsung. And one of the best reasons to get this one is the price is just unbeatable. It's like $99, I think, for 1 terabyte. In my previous computer back 8 years ago, I had to buy like a 160 gig of SSD for almost $200. Do you believe that? It's crazy. So this product here is all built with metal. I think it's aluminum. It's very light. And you just feel very premium. It's pretty good. And we have 2 of them. So that's going to help us building a faster computer in the RAID. I usually back out in my other hard drive, so I'm actually going to do a RAID 0 on these babies. So I wonder how fast that will take. Apparently I might be able to turn on Windows, get into Windows within 5 seconds. Let's see about that. Alright, on to the next thing. Let's take a look at them in the close-up. I'll also be running some benchmark on the performance of the 5700 XT versus the GTX 970 that I had before. So stay tuned to watch more for that. It's funny how most of the box are already open, so I can't really use my knife even though I want to. But for the graphic card, we actually have a seal here. So I'm going to open it up here. This is the XFX Thick Ultra 5700 XT. This is an interesting graphic card. From all of the benchmark I saw from gaming, this card is almost as good as this RTX 2070 Super, which is why I bought it, because it only costs like $150 cheaper compared to the 2070 Super. But it looks like for Adobe Premiere, the performance might be a little bit slower than the RTX 2060. But I will check it out and let you guys know. First, let's take a look at it. Okay, the fancy box but then it looks kind of dull inside. But it does say XFX on this way. Let's open it up and see what's going on. Wow. So it seems like after you open the box, there's another box. You open this box, there's another box inside. It's just a never-ending process. In this box, there's the installation guide, there's the warranty, and there's the card. Wow, what can I say? When this card says thick, it's not joking, it's actually really thick. Wow, I don't think I have a card this thick before. I'm not sure if the case can even handle it. Just open it and take a look. Holy cow, this is like the craziest card ever. It's so thick and long. Wow, that's a master, the monster of a card.
And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, weeping alone. Your words remain carved in my bones. Thought I knew how this shit would go, so I don't know how the fuck I'ma let go. Rain and shine, I'ma get money. If you wake up, that's a good morning, yeah. Faces all around me, they yawning, and I'ma smile back if we honest, but I ain't doing nothing I don't need. Just a G chasing money till he go and rest in peace. Know that it ain't always
So
what
long
it
too.
seems. When my brothers blowing trees, they just really blowing steam. I keep on
No, it actually doesn't fit.
driving perfect circles. Wonder if it's worth
Wow.
it. Always getting hurt and I keep on
Uh-oh, we got a problem.
wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.
We have to get a different case. We need probably 2 more centimeters here to make sure it can fit. That is a monster of a card. I need to check if I have another case at my work.
And
This is my old case a long time ago.
so
I
long
don't know if this will work either.
to have you.
Looks like I might be able to take this whole thing out. This is a GTX 970 from back then. I mean, it should work, right? Well, even this doesn't work. Wow. What a shame. That's crazy. That is really crazy. So now we're going to the old computer, pick out all the old components, swap it out and put the new one. Since it's so dusty and dirty, you should better put some mask and also get some wet wipe. Just clean the inside of the case with a damp power now. Super dirty. Wish there's a mini vacuum that could work inside this case. You can see it's so dirty. Check if this work with the opening the case. Give it a try. Hopefully it just works and then we don't have to find another solution. I think this is the right size. Oh yeah, nice. Okay. One go. One more to go. Oh, there's some tape here too. Thoroughly cleaning. Look at all this dust. It's crazy. I'm wearing a mask now too. Look at all this dust. Don't smell. Poison gas. I wonder if it's attached on the bottom. As for now, we can install the graphic card. This is no problem now. Awesome. Just as I thought I was finished with the computer build, I turned on the computer and I saw there's no post, and at the same time there's a light blinking next to the error code next to CPU. So I was wondering if there's anything wrong with the BIOS setting, or if there's any other thing that I haven't checked. So if you come take a look at the MSI B450 Gaming Plus Max motherboard, if you take a look at the key features, they actually support AM4 and also supports 3rd generation Ryzen. But I don't know why when I bought it from BH Photo, it actually didn't support Ryzen 3900X first, and there was no review. So good thing I was able to follow the guide, which I'll put the link down below. From this other tech enthusiast, we help people to show them how to update the BIOS through a USB port. That was to update the BIOS, so I took out the CPU and then also followed this video and made a USB drive to help with saving the newest BIOS. And we're gonna follow the video and use this button there to trigger the BIOS update progress. Right now we're going to put the USB drive right next to the flash button, BIOS update button, and then we're going to click the BIOS update button. Please feel free to comment or ask me any questions. I finally got the computer to work, and I'll show you how it performs in the next clip.